This is Amjad. Welcome to my YouTube channel Amjad Concepts. In this session, we are going to discuss 10th class first chapter real numbers in that exercise number 2. That is, listen, here given that express each of the following numbers as a product of prime factors. Express as a product of prime factors. In that first problem given, exercise 1.2, in that first problem 140. Express this in the product of prime factors. For that, do like this. Short division method. 2, 7, 14 and 0 here. 2, 3 is 6. Okay. 1, 0, 10 remaining. 2, 5 is. Okay. 35 is not divisible with 2. So, try with 3. 3, 5, 8. Sum of digit is 8. So, it's not divisible by 3 also. So, next 5. Why? Because given that express in the product of prime factors only. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. Okay, we have to take these numbers only. 5, 7. Okay, totally we got 140 is equal 2 into 5 into 7. Nothing but 2 square 5 into 7. 2 square 5 into 7. In same way, another one given 156. 156. Same process. Okay. 2, 7, 14. 1, 6, 16 remaining. 2, 8. 2, 3 is 6. 1, 8. 18 remaining. 2, 9. Okay. In unit digit, we have 9, so it's not divisible by 2. So try with 3. 3 1 ja, 3 3 ja. 13 is a prime number, so it is not divisible by any number. 13 1 ja, 13. Okay, so it can be 156. We got 2 into 3 into 13. So 2 square into 3 into 13. Prime factors 2, 3, 13 we got. Prime factors. Okay, product of these nothing but 156. Another one 3825 given. 3825. 3825. Okay, find the factors of 3825. Prime factors of 3825. First, last unit digit is here. The unit digit is given 5. So it's not divisible by 2. Sum of digits 3 plus 8 11 plus 2 13 plus 5 18. Nothing but it's divisible by 3. 3 1 ja 3. 3 2 ja 6. 7 8. 2 22 remaining. 3 7 ja 21. 1 remaining here 15. 3 5 ja 15. Okay. 1 2 3 plus 7 10 15. Okay, it's again divisible by 3. 3 4 ja 12. 3 2 ja 6, 7 1 15 remaining, 3 5 ja. Okay, now do with 5. 5 8 ja 40. 5 8 ja 40. Okay, 25 remaining, 5 5 ja. 5 1 ja 5. 5 1 ja 5. 6 7 8, 35 remaining, 5 7 ja 35. Totally we got 3 into 5 into 5 into 17. Okay, 3 square 5 square 17. Those are the product of prime factors of a given number, that is 3825. Okay, now next coming to second bit, given that find the LCM and HCF of the following integers by the prime factorization method. Okay, in the same method we have to find the LCM and HCF. In first exercise, we did the LCM and HCF by Euclid's division lemma. We found LCM and HCF by Euclid's division lemma. Here asking by prime factorization method. In that first one, 12, 15, 21 given. 12, 15, 21. Okay. For 12, prime factors are, listen, 12 can be written as 2 into 6. 12 can be written as 2 into 6. Again 6 can be written as 2 into 3. Okay, 2, 2, 3 all are prime numbers. So totally 12 is equal to 2. So 2 square into 3. 12 is equal to 2 square into 3. Now 15. 15 can be written as 3 into 5. 3 5 is 15. 3 is a prime number and 5 also prime number. So totally 15 is equal 3 into 5. And here 21 can be written as 3 into 7. 3 is a prime number, 7 also prime number. So 21 is 3 into 7. Now listen. Now here we need HCF and LCM. HCF and LCM. HCF is highest common factor, common in every term. Okay. Here, what is common here? 3, 3, 3. Okay. 3, 3, 3. Is there any number common in 12, 15, 21? No. Only 3 is the common. So, HCF of 12, 15, 21 is 3. Okay. And LCM is LCM is like this. Every number and in that highest power of the prime number and everyone, that is 2 square. Here we have the 2, 3, 5, 7. These 4 prime numbers contain here 2, 3, 5, 7. Okay, we should write every number 2, 3, 5, 7 in that highest power. Listen once, 2, 3, 5, 7. Okay, for 2 highest power is 2 square. Okay, for 3 power 1 is the highest one. So write down 3 and 5 and 7. Okay, here present 2, 3, 5, 7 all prime numbers. 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60. Okay, 60 into 7, 420. This is the LCM of given numbers. Okay, next coming to next number. Find the LCM of 17, 23 and 29. 17, 23, 29. Observe that given 3 numbers also prime numbers only. If given 3 numbers also prime number. 17 is a prime number. Okay, factors of 17 is 1 into 17. Okay, here only prime factors 17. Here only prime factor 23. Here only prime factor 29 itself. Okay, so for 17, 23, 29 given numbers are prime number. So HCF of a prime number is nothing but 1. HCF of prime number 1. And LCM of prime numbers is nothing but product of numbers. That is 17 into 23 into 29. Product of numbers is nothing but LCM of prime numbers. Okay now. Next, let's try another problem. 72,108. Then you will get idea. 72,108. Find the LCM and HCF of 72 and 108. Second bit, fourth problem. Given 72,108. Listen, first write down the prime factors of 72. 2 3s are 6, 12 remaining. 2 6s are 12. 2 18, 2 9, 3 3. Okay now. So 72 can be written as 1 2 3, 2 cube and 3 into 3, 3 square. Okay. Okay. Now coming to 108. 108 can be written as 2 into 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 2 into 2 2s are 4, 14, 2 7s are. Now 3 9s are and 3 3s are. So 108 can be written as, how many 2s are there? 1 2, 2 square, and how many 3s? 3 3s, 3 cube. 2 square and 3 cube. Now we need LCM and HCF. We need LCM and HCF of 72 and 108. Listen, for HCF, the prime number should be contained in 72 and 108 also. What are the prime numbers here? 2 and 3. Okay, all are prime numbers, but in every term 2 is contained in 72 and 108 also. So write down 2, and 3 also write down 3. In the highest power, 2 has highest power is 3, so write down 3. Okay, and 108, 3. Okay, for HCF lowest power, 2 square and 3 square. For LCM highest power, that is 2 cube and 3 cube. Okay, 2 cube is 8 into 3 cube is 27. 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9. 4 9s are 36. Okay, and 27 8s are 8 7 56. 8 2s are 16 plus 5 21. 216 and 36. LCM of the 72 and 108 is 216, and HCF of 72 and 108 is 36. Okay, here listen, found the factors of prime factors of 72, and here prime factors of 108. Now coming to LCM and HCF, LCM is nothing but every prime number, and in that highest power. Okay, here 2 3 are the two different numbers are present here. So 2 3, I wrote 2 3, and in that highest power for 2 is 3, so 2 cube, and for 3 is 3 cube. 8 into 27 216. For coming to HCF, okay, common number, it should be common. Okay, for example, if it has 5, okay, in LCM also we have to write 5. Okay, every different number should be present in LCM. Okay, in case of HCF, only common number. 2 is common, so write down 2. 3 is common, write down 3. In that least one, in 2 square is the least one, and 3 square is the least one. Okay, that's it. Now, third problem. Check whether 6 power n can end with 0 or not. Very, very important. Okay, for competitive and regular also. 6 power n can end with 0 or not. Can 6 power n end with 0 or not? End with 0 or not for any natural number. N natural number. N is a natural number. Okay. Listen. Here, for any natural number, if 6 power n can end with 0, it should be divisible by 2 and 5. Okay, now it should contain in the product 2 and 5. Then only 6 power n ends with 0. But coming to 6 power n, here the problem, 6 power n can be written as 2 into 3 whole power n. 2 into 3 whole power n. In this product we have the 2, but not 5. 5 is not present in that product. So 6 power n cannot end with 0 for any natural number. For any natural number. Did you get? Listen again. If 6 power n is end with 0, 6 power n is end with 0, it should divisible by 2 and 5. If 6 power n can end with 0, it should be divisible by 2 and 5. Okay, now that means the product of 6 power n contain 2 and 5. But here it present only 2 only. 5 is not present in that product. 5 is not present in the product. So 6 power n is not end with 0 for any natural number. Okay. For example, is 4 power n can end with 0 or not? If you given that question, is 4 power n can end with 0 or not? We have to check that in that product do we have the 2 and 5 or not? Okay, 4 power n is nothing but 2 square whole power n, 2 into 2 whole power n. Okay, in this 2 present, okay, 5 is not present in that product, so it's not end with 0. Okay, if any number to get end with 0 in that product, okay, it should have the 2 and 5. Okay, now next, coming to next problem. Given that here 6 power n end with 0, no. 4 power n end with 0, no. Okay, now coming to another problem. Explain 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13, and another one, second problem, that 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5. Okay, are composite numbers. Why these are the composite numbers? Listen, in these, in total number, what is the common number? 13 is the common number. So it can be written as 13 of 17 into 11 plus 13 got common 1. 13 of 11 7 is 77 plus 1. Nothing but 13 into 78. Listen, here we got 13 into 78. If a number can be written as the product of two numbers, nothing but here 13 and 78 are the factors of given number. If it has factors, then that is a composite number. It's not a prime number. Okay, now here we got 13 and 78. Okay, if a number is written as a product of factors, okay, then that number is a composite number. Okay, for example, listen, 6, it can be written as 2 into 3. 5, it can't be written product of two numbers except 1. Okay, so it's a composite number, it's not a prime number. If you can write, composite number, if not, prime number. Okay, so it's a composite number. Why? Because 13 and 78 product of, we can write this number product of two numbers. These two are the factors of given number. So it's a composite number. Coming to this one, here 5 is the common. Take 5 as a common. Then remaining is 7 into 6 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 1. Okay, you will get 5 of, okay, 2 3 is 6, 6 4 is 24, 7 6 is 42. 42 into 24 plus 1. 5 of 24 2 is 48, 24 4 is 96 plus 4, 100 plus 1. 5 into 1009. This number can be written as a product of 5 into 1009. Nothing but these two are the factors of a given number. If these two are the factors, then given number is a composite number. That's it. Okay, now? Composite number. Okay, next coming to last problem in this exercise. What is the last digit of 6 power 100? What is the last digit of 6 power 100? Fifth problem, sixth problem. What is the last digit of 6 power 100? Listen. Here 6 power 1. 6. 6 square. What is 6 square? 36. 6 cube. 216. 6 power 4. Maybe 1296. 36 into 36. Okay. In all, what is the unit digit? 6. So by that we can say that, okay, for any natural number 6 power n is end with 6, but asking the question is 100. So 6 power n 100 is end with 6. Here the unit digit is 6. Okay, no? Okay. Okay friends, this exercise is complete. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Thank you all.